What's up guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another interesting question, and we have 9 to the x plus 9 to the minus x equals to 34, and we need to figure out the amount of 3 to the x plus 3 to the minus x. So before we start, let's just go over some laws of exponent where we have a to the power of m to the power of n. We know this will be equal to a to the power of n to the m, or a to the power of n times n. All of these are going to be the same thing, and what we're going to do in here, we're going to break down the 9. In the first equation, we have 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x plus 3 squared minus x equals to 34, and from here we know 3 to the 2 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the x to the power of 2, or 3 to the 2x, or what we have at the beginning, which was 9 to the x, and we'll have the same thing for the 3 to the power of 2 to the minus x. This will be 3 to the minus x to the power of 2 will be equal to 3 to the minus 2x, or 9 to the minus x, which is what we have in the equation. So what we are interested in is to find this, which is 3 to the x plus 3 to the minus x, but let's just do the square. And the reason why we are doing this is that to get closer to what we have in here, so we're going to do the square of this amount, and that way we're going to build these things in here, and what we have is we will have a plus b squared, which will be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We're going to proceed with the algebra formula that we have in here. So let's see what we get in here. So we'll have the 3x squared plus 2 times the first one, 3x times 3 to the minus x plus 3 to the minus x squared. And let's see what we get in here. So these two are familiar for us. These are the expression that we had in the previous step, 3 to the x2. So 3 to the x to the 2, this is this one, which at the end will be equal to 9 to the x. So the first expression, we will have 9 to the x. The second one, we will have 2 times 3x times 3 minus x. And from the law of exponent, we know when we have a to the b times a to the c, this will be equal to a to the power of b plus c. So simply we have 3 to the power of x minus x, which will be 0, and this will be 1. And the last one is 3 to the minus x, and this will be 9 to the minus x, and this is coming from what we have in here, so this will be equal to 9 to the minus x2. And it seems this is getting very easy as we go along. So what we get so far is 9x plus 2 plus 9 minus x, and from the question we know that 9 to the x plus 9 to the minus x is 34. That was the equation that we have at the beginning of this question. So here we have 9 to the x plus 9 to the minus x, 34, and there we go. What we have in here is 9 to the x plus 9 to the minus x plus 2. What we have in here is 34, and the answer here will be 36. But keep in mind, we started with this expression over here, and what we are interested is 3 to the x plus 3 to the minus x. So what we started from was 3 to the x plus 3 to the minus x squared, and we found we get 36 in here. So if we do the square root on each side of this, we'll get 3 to the x plus 3 to the minus x 6, and that's going to be the final answer for us. Again, very interesting strategy to use the first equation to build up what we have. That's all for this one. Let me know if you have any better way to solve this. If you have any comments, question regarding this one, I'd be happy to discuss it with you guys in the comments section. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.